Good morning, Sir Leo Arcayos. I'm here in front of you and or in this video to report about or discuss the stability information using the various stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables used on board ships. So the stability information on ships is conveyed through stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables are crucial for ensuring a vessel's safety and efficiency. Stability diagrams like the GC curve visually represents the ship rightening moment at different angle of heel, crucial for understanding stability characteristics. And also the trim tables, often in tabular form, provide the vessel trim difference in draft forward and aft. For various loading conditions, stress tables help assess the structural stresses on the ship under different loading scenarios. On my side, there's a picture there shown the stability information on ship is conveyed. So this is the rightening level of GC. So nipa-curve siya from 0 to 100. Yeah. Sa tunga niya nag-connect ang GM sa maybe 57 or 58 between naranilana niya ang GC GZ naa sa 50, which is the B. Ang kato din yun ako nga kuhan sa GM kuhan ni siya kananay radian, tawag radian nasa between 57 o 58 na ang A naa siya dapit aning padung pa mo curve. Wani siya natunong sa 30, which is naran siya sa 29. So this is the angle of heel degrees na pakurbada siya sa stability information on ships is conveyed. So next, so next is the stability diagrams. This diagram, often including the GC curve, helps determine if the ship's rightening moment is adequate to resist heeling forces. The GC curve shows the rightening arm, the perpendicular distance between the ship's center of gravity and the line of action of the buoyancy force at different angles of heel. So muna akong gingon ganina sa katong nag-explain ko sa first picture. Ang mga same lang sila. Na-picture na sa ubos, makita ninyo ang rightening arms. Nata ang maximum rightening arm, danger angle, makita na to diha, angle of maximum rightening arm, maximum range of stability. Ani mo gani siya magbase aga ng pag-ana-ana nimo sa barko. Naman gani degree angle of heel degrees. Kay labian na nga na di nakabalik sa katunay degree ari sa port side or starboard. Di na siya kabalik diha, kitay gikas port side, di na siya kabalik sa starboard. Malunod gyud ta, pero murag sibli mo siguro pud kay mag draft pa man ta nga na depende pud sa atong kargamento sa barko. So makita nyo ni sa picture mo ni ang stability of diagrams. So next is the trim tables. Trim tables. These tables are used to calculate the vessel draft. Mo tong gingon na mag-draft ta. Muni ani nabilong siya sa trim tables. Distance from the waterline of the bottom of the hull and trim under different loading conditions. Trim is different in draft forward and aft, and a good trim is essential for optimal ship performance and stability. Kanidang trim is different in draft forward and aft, pero a good trim is essential for optimal ship's performance and stability. So may makita nyo na ubos sa explanation na nakugibutang na picture diha mo na nag-show sa trim tables. Naman na siya sa every barko katong naputong katong sa draft. Makita na to dire nga na siya ikuan sa Il City. Nasa point diha. Ang pangalan ni kay kaning hydrostatic particulars. Hydrostatic particulars. Muna siya ang katong sample sa trim tables. Nag-base lang sa kuani sa kasi na kuan ako sa Google. Next is the stress tables. What is stress tables? These tables are used to determine the stresses of the ship hull and structure under different loading conditions. They are crucial for ensuring the ship's structural integrity and safety. So makita na sa ninyo diha nga sa ubos sa explanation na ang picture na kung gibutan diha na siya time stresses ga murag alternate siya. Butan nato ning 0.1 sa time niya per minute niya sa stress is kPa, which is 160, time 16.0, minute stresses again is 82.0. Amo po sa akong butang. Next na tayo sa key concept na ang mga center of gravity, which is ang iyang kuan kay kanang G, the point where the entire weight of the ship is concentrated. Sunod is center of buoyancy, isang nag-start siya sa B, the center of the volume of the water displaced by the ship. Metacenter, M, the point where a line drawn from the center of buoyancy intersects the side of the ship at the new angle of heel. Metacentric height, which is GM, the distance between the center of gravity and the metacenter, M. A positive GM indicates a stable conditions. GM indicates a stable conditions. Rightening arm, which is GC, ako na-explain na ganina, the distance between the line of action of the buoyancy force and the ship's center of gravity when heeled over. And the last is the rightening moment, RM, the moment caused by the buoyancy force that tends to the right the ship when it heeled over. Next kuan ko diri og picture my side. Buoyancy, weight, the initial condition, after weight shift, and final equilibrium condition. So makita ninyo na yung mga initial ang center of gravity is G na dyan na siya perminti sa tunga. Yang center buoyancy nasa ubos. Yang metacenter is nasa ibabaw. And kani magud siya kayo magbutang taog mga nanatay karga o nasudlan natong baon sa matong mga kagarmento. Ang center ang metacenter muangat gyud na siya. Muangat niya ang followed by center of gravity, then center of buoyancy. Nya kaanam glubot ang barko nya katong yung tulong kakuan musaka sa ni siya. So gi-explain ko ani sa kaning nasa picture. Unstable ning kuan initial condition after weight shift. Nya kaning kuan final equilibrium is stable na siya, which is the kaning pakita ni sa picture na center gyapon siya bikatakilid na ang barko ganangan gyapon kay natupong gyapon ang kuan niya kanang tungtulo, center gravity, center buoyancy, and mitra center. Next, the factor of affecting stability. Various factors can affect ship's stability, including the distribution of weight, free surface effects, the movement of liquid in tanks, and the vessel draft, according to Splash Maritime. So makita nyo ana sa ubos sa explanation na tayo kuha ang picture gikan sa Splash Maritime. So akong gingon ganina nga unstable ning kaning kinunhan nya kaning kadua is unstable gyapon, ning katulo is stable na siya as the angle of roll, and kaning kaupat is stable na siya. Nganong mingon man ta nga wa ni mas stable ning duha kanina sa ibabaw, kang iyang center of gravity is naman sa ibabaw niya, ang inyong meta center na sa ubos. Nadya natin siya nga kuan ng barko na matuwang ba di nakabalik sa iyang original na posisyon. Lahi raning duha nga nasa ubos nga ang meta center nasa taas, ang center of gravity nasa ubos, ang center of buoyancy nasa ang center of gravity nasa tunga, ang center of buoyancy is nasa ubos. So tanawin niyo ang picture diha, and sabtan lang nato na so this is the last part. So what is importance? Importance stability information, including stability diagram, the trim tables, and stress tables, is crucial for the safe and efficient operation of ships. These tools are provide essential data on a vessel ability to stand external forces and maintain its upright position, which is vital for seaworthiness and preventing capsizing. Accurate stability calculation and understanding of these diagrams and tables are crucial for the safe operation of a ship, as they help determine the vessel stability and its ability to withstand various conditions at sea according to the IMO. So this is that's all, sir. That's my end of my discussion or reporting about the stability information using the various stability diagrams, trim tables, and stresses tables used on board ships. I hope classmates na natay ma-learn ani nga about aning tapika, and magtuon pa ta about ani. And that's all, sir. Thank you so much.